Hello class 10. Now I am going to start today from question number 6. So sixth question is here. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. Listen to question carefully. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing on at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of building increases from 30 to 60 as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Now see better. Look at the figure carefully. Now here suppose a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing. Now from here at point D, from his eyes he is looking at the top of some building like this. D is from D to A is your line of sight. But now boy has started moving, and from D he reaches suppose up to F. When he was at D, the angle of elevation with horizontal and line of sight is 30 degree. As he moves towards the building, the angle of elevation increases and it is 60 degree. Now this time when he reaches at point F, and again he looks at the top of the building, now the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Now note better, the moment we move towards or closer to the thing we are looking at, the angle of elevation keeps on increasing. जब हम पास building के जा रहे हैं तो angle of elevation बढ़ता जाएगा. So earlier boy was at D, so angle of elevation was 30 degree. Now he moves closer to the building, he reaches to F, so angle of elevation is 60 degree. Now he said how much distance he had walked. It means DF you have to find out. DF distance he had walked. Now listen to it carefully better. Now the figure where you can see here, AC is the height of the building 30 मीटर. बट बॉय क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्टैंड कर रहा है 1.5, तो हम यहाँ से एंगल बना रहे हैं बेटा 30 डिग्री एंड देन 60 डिग्री. सो व्हाट डू वी डू, जो दिस एंगल यहाँ पे जो बन रहा है आपका AFB एंगल वी विल कंसिडर, एंड अनदर वी ओनली कंसिडर right triangle. So how many right triangles you can see here? ABF and ABD. Two right triangles you can consider, ABF and ABD. Using these two triangles we will find out DF. How? See how. Now what is it? First of all, AC is complete 30 but BC we know is 1.5. तो अपना जो AB triangle के अंदर consider करना है हमको, वो that becomes 30 minus 1.5, 28.5 meter. Got it? Now AB is equal to 28.5 meter. Therefore, so in triangle first of all we have considered triangle ABF. Now आपको तो DF find out करना, तो ये चीज़ AB we will take और BF लेंगे क्योंकि इनका तो कोई रोल नहीं है यहाँ पे. दिस AF और AD का there is no role. So in triangle ABF what we do is AB upon BF, that is P upon B is equal to tan 60. 28.5 is your AB. BF this we don't know. So this is root 3 here. So cross multiplying BF उधर गया root 3 इधर, तो 28.5 by root 3 is your BF. So we have not rationalizing it, अभी नहीं कर रहे इसको rationalize, marked it as 1, leaving it here. Now in triangle ABD, this time I am consider triangle ABD. This time again what do we do? P upon this complete B, that is BD. So we have written AB upon BD is equal to your tan 30 degree. Now AB we know is 28.5 and BD is what? Is again we don't know, so 1 by root 3 is the value of tan 30 degree. So again BD find out करना, तो what do you get? Cross multiplying, so BD is equal to 28.5 root 3. Now you know your DF is what? DF what you have to find out DF, but DF is what? BD minus BF is your DF. BD complete में से BF find minus कर दें. So here we have done it like this. Distance walked by boy DF is equal to BD minus BF. So we have written the value BD, BF this taking LCM and solving. बाकी उसको 28.5 को common भी ले लिया easy करने के लिए calculation. Now LCM is root 3 and this 3 minus 1 2 by root 3. So this becomes, अभी इसको rationalize भी यहाँ पे कर दिया root 3 by root 3 करके. So it becomes 28.5 into 2 into root 3 by 3. 3 जब 28.5 से cancel हुआ तो we got here 9.5 into 2 root 3, that is 9.5 into 2 is what? 19. So 19 root 3 meter is the distance walked by that boy.